Okay. If 200 milliliters is 0.2, then I did it right, but looks like it's right up to the top there, which basically means it looks like it's slightly overfilled. But the way this works, I don't think it's going to matter. We'll just, it's got to slosh up to the valves. I'm trying to get this thing on. There we go. Okay. So I got filled up with oil. I got all the oil plugs in, and I don't see anything leaking underneath there. So far so good. So this is my deal. The plumbing's been taken out of this. If you look at my last video on there, you'll see what I did. And there's two limit switch safety switches wired up in these positions, which I don't know what they do. It may be simple kill switches that when it's like that, it grounds out the ignition or spark plug, so it won't start. Probably does a little bit more than that, because when you push it, the starter won't go. And then I'm not sure if this setting actually does much different than the propane setting, gas and propane. So since I don't know, whatever I'm going to use, I'm going to set it to towards propane. Oh, I did forget to put the I knew I was going to forget that. I got a new filter, because the other one was burnt up from the backfires. It melted. God, a little long. So I gotta put the filter in. I think I know where it is. I'll be back. Well, I'm going to have to find them. They're not where I thought they were, so I'm going to have to look. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off and start a new video. Hopefully I can pause this. Let me see the experiment whether I can pause this. Nothing on the touch screen. If I push this, tap it quickly,